Do you know that a woman cannot be arrested at night and she can file a FIR in any police station? औरतों के पास इंडिया में कुछ ऐसे राइट्स हैं जिसके बारे में हमें एज लेडीज, एज वुमेन, एज गर्ल्स पता ही नहीं है. बट डू नॉट वरी बिकॉज टुडे आई एम हियर टू टेल यू दोज 10 टॉप लीगल राइट्स जो आपके पास हैं एज अ वुमेन लिविंग इन इंडिया. सो हाई गाइज, आई एम शिविका मेहरा एंड आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी वो 10 लीगल राइट्स जो आपके पास है एज अ वुमेन हु इज लिविंग इन इंडिया. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो. The first right that we are going to discuss today is right against domestic violence. So अगर आप as an Indian woman किसी भी तरीके का कुछ भी अब्यूज़ फेस करते हो, whether it is physical, emotional, financial, mental, then you can actually stand up and can file a case against your partner. You can actually protect yourself from any type of abuse under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act of 2005. So basically अगर आपके साथ कुछ भी abuse होता है at your home, you can actually seek justice because that is your legal right as a woman. And this is the first legal right जिसके बारे में हर lady को पता होना चाहिए. In case you are facing any kind of abuse at your home, you have the legal right to approach the courts of India. In case a woman is abused, she can seek protection orders, financial support, residential support, and can actually seek damages and compensation. And this is, as a woman, your first right, which is right against domestic violence. The next and a very important legal right is right to equal pay. So under the Equal Remuneration Act of 1976, as a woman, you have the right to demand for an equal pay for equal work. जितना एक आदमी को पैसा मिल रहा है for a particular work, you can seek, you can actually demand that same amount for the work that you are putting in. Basically अगर आप equal काम कर रहे हो, then आपको उसके लिए equal पैसा भी मिलना चाहिए. There should not be any discrimination on the basis of your gender. Employers cannot discriminate on grounds of salaries, promotions and recruitments just because आप एक lady हैं. And in case आपके साथ कुछ भी unfair treatment होता है with regards to your payment, you can actually approach the courts. The next right is right to protection from sexual harassment at workplace. अगर आपके साथ किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी harassment या abuse होता है at your place of work, then you have the legal right to approach the courts of India and you can actually demand and seek justice. Women are actually protected under the Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act of 2013. So अगर आपके साथ किसी भी तरीके की कुछ भी harassment होती है, then it is your right to approach the ICC, which is the Internal Complaints Committee. Every organization must have this committee. अगर कुछ भी किसी भी lady के साथ उनके organization में गलत होता है, so that lady can actually approach the ICC. And these matters can actually be taken to the courts of India. So this is your third legal right. The next legal right is a right to maternity benefits. Working women are entitled to maternity leaves and maternity benefits under the Maternity Benefit Act of 1961. So basically, if you are a working woman, then it is your right to get some leaves or some benefits during the course of your pregnancy. Some benefits include paid maternity leave, job protection during maternity, and basically आपको आपकी organization एक protection grant करती है that you are safe and secure, money wise, leave wise, आपके पास पूरी completely security है कि आप काम कर रहे हो लेकिन organization is there to look after you in case you need any leaves या आपको कुछ और benefits चाहिए. So basically this is your next right, that if you are pregnant and you are seeking that maternity leave or maternity benefits, it is the duty of your organization to give you those, because seeking those is your legal right. Next legal right is again a very important legal right, which is right to free legal aid. So basically women have the right to seek free legal assistance. Basically अगर आपके पास उतने resources नहीं है, maybe you cannot appoint a lawyer, you cannot अप्रोच द कोर्ट्स, लेकिन आपको कोर्ट्स अप्रोच करने हैं, आपको अपने राइट्स एक्सरसाइज करने हैं, लीगल राइट्स एक्सरसाइज करने हैं, देन द लॉ इज देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. सो बेसिकली अंडर आर्टिकल 39A ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, you as a woman have the right to seek free legal aid. And you can do this through National Legal Services Authority. Basically, अगर आपको कुछ भी aid चाहिए with terms to any legal protection, with terms to maybe you want to hire a lawyer, you can actually seek free legal aid through NLSA. And this is your right as mentioned under Article 39A of the Indian Constitution. The next and a super important legal right is right to file FIR at any police station. Women have the right to file a zero FIR. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब है that you can file a FIR in any police station debarring the jurisdiction. Basically आपके पास right है कि आप किसी भी police station में जाके अपना केस दर्ज करवा सकते हैं. So basically as a woman you can actually go and file a case in any police station regardless of the area जहाँ पे crime हुआ था, because this is your right, this is your legal right as a woman living in India. The next legal right is right against arrest at night. According to the criminal law, in general cases, in most cases, एक औरत को आप रात को arrest नहीं कर सकते हो unless there are some exceptions or unless you've taken the permission of the magistrate. In general cases, you cannot arrest a woman at night. So basically, एक lady के पास right होता है against अरेस्ट एट नाइट. बेसिकली एक लेडी को आप रात को अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हो अनलेस ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर एक्सेप्शनल केसेस या फिर आपने मैजिस्ट्रेट की परमिशन ले ली है. जनरली अ वुमन कैन नॉट बी अरेस्टेड एट नाइट एंड दैट इज हर legal right. The next legal right is a right to privacy during medical examination. A woman can only be examined, medically examined by a female doctor. That is your right as a woman, to only get examined by a female doctor. The next right is right to property. So according to Hindu Succession Act of 1956, now daughters have equal rights in the ancestral property. पहले ऐसा लॉ था कि सिर्फ sons के पास ही right था in the ancestral property. Only they could take their share in the ancestral property. But now even daughters have equal rights in the ancestral property and उनको भी equal share मिलना चाहिए in the ancestral property. And the last right that we are discussing today, and a very important right, is right to complain against dowry. So I think all of us know that demanding dowry is an illegal act under the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961. And अगर आपसे कोई भी dowry demand करता है, then you have the right to approach the courts of India. So basically a woman can complain अगर उनसे कोई dowry demand करता है या फिर अगर उनको कोई mentally या physically किसी भी तरीके का कुछ भी abuse करता है एंड फोर्स करता है टू गिव डाउरी. सो बेसिकली अगर आपसे सिंपली कोई डिमांड कर रहा है या आपको फोर्स कर रहा है फॉर डाउरी, इन बोथ दीज केसेस यू कैन अप्रोच द कोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया बिकॉज राइट टू फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट डाउरी इज योर लीगल राइट एज अ वुमन. I really hope that you found this video useful. आपको अपने 10 major legal rights पता चले होंगे that you have as a woman. Knowing these rights is very important to lead a safe and a dignified life in India. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि जब भी ज़रूरत हो आप अपने इन rights को exercise करो and so that you are actually able to protect yourself from any kind of injustice or any illegal act जो आपके against हो रहा है. I really hope that you keep these 10 legal rights in your mind and you be very careful the next time आपके साथ कुछ गलत होता है. Also please share this video so that more women are aware of their rights and कल को अगर उनके साथ कुछ गलत होता है they know what to do. And before I conclude the video, I just want to say that I come up with legal videos in which I explain law topics in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. So अगर आपको किसी law topic में कुछ भी doubt है, you can let me know in the comments down below and I will film a separate video explaining that law topic to you in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. Additionally, अगर आपने मेरी अभी तक बाकी law videos नहीं देखी हैं, you can definitely watch them. You will find the link of all the other law videos in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. इन videos से आपको एक fair idea होगा कि मैं कौन से type की law videos post करती हूँ. Till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Watch my other legal videos and stay tuned for more legal videos which are coming your way. And please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.